Hey traders, welcome to today's Outlook. It's the 5th of August and let's quickly look at BTC. So currently very frustrating range that we are in. Remember that I mentioned that this is the bigger range that we are looking at and we either need a strong break and a stay above this zone or a break below right here if we're going to go lower. So unfortunate thing, looking at the 4 hourly, price is currently in a downward trend. As you can see from these highs that were formed on the 31st and the 1st of August, price has then proceeded to break this previous low. So with this price action right here, price made a lower low and now currently price had a sharp rebound. And if price starts to break this low again, it is very likely that price is going to continue down to the 61.8 level that I was referring to. All the way down, I still want a dollar cost average into BTC. And remember, I said not with leverage, but with actual buying of the coin, the asset itself. So the 38.2 is our first level of buying. Second level, 618 at 34,000, that area right there. And then our last level is 32,000. So all the way down to these levels, I want to start buying. Only concern though is if we look on a daily, and one of our members asked me last night, what do I think he wanted to buy after this little pop right there? And I said my only concern is if we look at the volume, we can see that the volume is declining. And like I mentioned, for price to continue up, we need a burst of volume. Like we saw here on the 26th of July when we had this nice big move up, that is when there was volume in the market. So be aware of the volume. This is something that I'm monitoring. But another nice level that I want to look at is this level right here, the 36,000, where we previously had our pending order sitting there. This is another level in the market that I want to monitor. And I think it will give us a very good buy opportunity for the guys that are trading futures and on leverage. With that being said, let's go on to Ethereum and see what's happening with Ethereum in the market. Ethereum as well starting to come down, guys. Like I mentioned, I would like for this neckline to be retested. This is a level that you need to mark out for yourself, 2,320, this entire area right here. Again, W formation broke out, have not retested the liquidity in that area. Ethereum's volume does not look too bad. Bitcoin's volume is very low, but Ethereum price to watch for me is 2,300. Nice round, significant psychological number to get into potential buys on Ethereum. Link, let's quickly look at Link. Very similar, this neckline. Let's monitor this neckline, some decent volume in the market. Definitely want to get into some action right here at 20 for Link. Binance Coin, like I mentioned, this channel, we definitely want to start buying in this zone right here, around about 281. So mark that out on your charts as well. Binance Coin, we're going to start buying at 280. Monero, also very flat currently, nice breakout. But as you can see now on the daily chart, for those guys that don't know what a daily chart is, each of these candles represent one entire 24-hour day. So it takes 24 hours to form. So this current candle, if you look here to my right, still has 14 hours to close. And then that candle will be complete. So currently what we're seeing is we're finding some resistance right in this area here. So buyers are failing to break through that area. And also on Monero, volume is very low. So next one to monitor is once we come back to this 226 level and see what price does there for a potential continuation higher, or all of this price action would have been a fake out and we're going to come much lower on Monero. XRP, let's quickly look at XRP. XRP, I have to say I quite like it. There was substantial amount of volume once we broke through this resistance area. And what I'm looking for now, if we go down to a 4-hourly time frame, I just want to delete this right here quickly. Some reason it does not want to delete, but going down to the 4-hourly, what I'm looking at now is price is consolidating, and we've got a nice area of support right here. If price can hold this level of support at 0.70 and start breaking above this minor price structure, and price structure is where price found resistance and reacted off that level. Or support, in this case, here price found support and reacted. So what we want to see is we want to see something similar to this, a 4-hourly candle, a Morningstar, Doji, any one of these candles, and then we want to see a break above this area of resistance for price to do something like this. And once we get a nice clean break above right there and we retest this area, this will be a very good opportunity for us to buy above 0.7310. That is XRP. Litecoin, let's quickly jump through Litecoin, going down to the daily time frame for Litecoin. And Litecoin failing to break through this area of resistance. And with that being said, volume slowly but surely declining. So let's see on the retrace once price gets to the 618 level. Also, if we look left, this was a previous area of major support once price tapped into that level. So between 121 119, Litecoin, monitor that. That is a big area for us to watch. That's all for today, guys. We need to see some volume coming into the market. Please note that the summer holidays are ending in the US and volume will slowly but surely start to come back into the market. And I think that's when we're going to see some price volatility in the crypto market. But up until then, trade safe, protect your capital, and have a great day.